Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nathalie and today I'm going to do a clown Halloween makeup tutorial. It's my first time ever doing a Halloween makeup, so I hope you like it. If you're interested in this video, keep on watching. I'm going to start off by using the Tarte Base Tape. So it's going to prime my face. Okay, so for the foundation I'm gonna use the Dior Forever Skin Glow in the shade 3W. Okay, I'm gonna put the foundation down to my neck too, because we're gonna draw a neck piece after. I'm using the Real Technique foundation brush. So now that we put the foundation everywhere, I'm going to put some concealer with the Tarte Shape Tape. The shade is 22 and light neutral. I'm making some dots. I look crazy right now. To the bridge of my nose, my forehead, chin, and a little bit down my nose. So I'm taking Tarte Beauty Blender and I'm gonna press the concealer on my skin. I'm putting some on my eyelid too, so we can fix the makeup that we'll put after. I really like this concealer. It's very covering, like it's full coverage. Now that we're done with concealer, I'm going to use the Revolution Banana Powder to bake under my eyes. So I'm having the Real Technique 402 brush. So pressing the powder right under my eyes like that. Alright, so now I am going to put some bronzer on my face, and I use the Faced Chocolate Soleil Long Wear Matte Bronzer in the shade Chocolate Matte. So I'm gonna use my Real Technique 401 brush for bronzer. So I'm gonna put. It's really pigmented, like. Wow. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. Okay, I'm gonna contour my whole forehead since I have a big forehead. Okay, now I start to really look like a clown. Gonna contour my jawline too. And for my nose, I'm going to take this little brush and just draw 2 lines like that. Right. With the leftovers of my powder, I'm going to put some powder here to reverse contour a little bit. Alright, I'm going to use the NYX Professional Makeup Blush in the shade HDB05. It is a very beautiful orangey color, so I'm gonna use this little brush starting here, and I'm putting that like to my temple right here, so we create like a lift effect. A little bit on my nose. I'm gonna put some highlighter, the Manizer highlighter. This is like a really champagne color, if you can see. And I'm gonna use my Real Techniques 404 brush. Whoa, it's really pigmented, you see that? So pretty. I'm gonna put some on my nose like that. So now that my face is done, I'm going to do my eyebrows. So I'm using the Sephora Brow Pencil Waterproof in the shade Chocolate Brown. I really like this brush because it's really thin, as you can see, and it has like a brush. Now that they're done, I'm going to put my Anastasia Beverly Hills a clear brow gel like that, just to fix them. For the eye, I am going to use my Revolution Forever Flawless Birds of Paradise palette. It's so pretty. Like, do you see how pigmented this palette is? So I'm going to do this eye pink and the other eye is blue. I'm gonna take the shade Vacay right here, and I'm going to do one eye with that. So pigmented. So I'm putting this color like all over my lid. Like that. As you can see, the color is very vibrant, and that's what we want to create this clown look. Okay, so I'm taking a smaller brush like this to create like a small triangle right here and right under my eye. So and I'm going to do the same like under. We're gonna create like a small triangle inside the triangle, if you know what I mean, and I'm using the roller liner eyeliner by Benefit. I'm gonna do the same like under. So I'm gonna line my lower lash line and then drag it down like that. I'm gonna now do the other eye in blue. So I'm taking the shade Macau right here. I'm gonna put some black liner . Alright, so before I apply some false lashes, I'm going to put the Marc Jacobs mascara in the shade Velvet Black. Alright, so for eyelashes I'm using the 3D Allure False Eyelashes by Primark. So I'm gonna come back with my 2 eyelashes done. Alright, so I'm back with the lashes on. Oh my god, that looks so good. So I bought on Amazon like some diamantes like that, and I thought it would be cool if I just stick them like just there, you know. So for the blue part I'm going to use the blue diamonds, and for the other parts I have some pink ones. So I'm going to put like the middle one. And I'm going to draw like a black line here, here, and here. So I'm using the Intense Eye Pencil Black by Chanel. Okay, so now you're going to connect the line together. I'm going to take the same palette that I use for the eye, this one, and I'm going to put the pink one here, the blue, the pink, and the blue. I'm taking a flat brush like this. So I'm taking the pink one. Alright, so now that the pink side is done, I'm going to do the blue part. Alright, so I'm gonna do the same for both sides and I'm gonna come back once it's done. Alright, so I'm back with everything done. Alright, it doesn't have to be perfect though. But yeah. So now I'm gonna take the big diamonds one and put with the same color. Alright, so now that everything is done, I'm going to finish with the lips. So I'm going to put my NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream in the shade Monte Carlo. So I'm gonna put that just like in the middle. I'm going to take back the Chanel Intense Eye Pencil and I'm going to overline like to create a fake clown smile. So and we're trying to like connect the line to your lips. I feel like the lips complete the whole look. Alright guys, so this is the finished makeup look. I really hope you enjoyed watching it. I wish you all happy Halloween. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and follow me on Instagram at NatChris. Thank you so much for watching. See you on my next video. I love you all so much. Bye.
Started from a DM, now she wanna see him. If you wanna link, baby, gotta be the weekend. Just follow me.